Learn English with Jenny. Please like, share and subscribe for more content.
Does she speak English fluently?
Yes, she speaks English fluently.
Do you work tomorrow?
Yes, I will go to work tomorrow.
Can I walk with you?
No, I have some work.
What does he do after work?
He takes his friend for a long walk.
Did you fall?
Yes, and I scraped my knee.
What do you do for fun?
I draw and play.
How do you make coffee?
I like cold coffee.
Why do you ask?
I thought you might know.
Why are you crying?
I am lost.
What did they say?
They said it's too late.
How can I get in touch with you?
You can get my phone number.
Does she have any hobbies?
Yes, she enjoys painting.
Do you eat fruit every day?
Yes, I eat fruit every day.
Which form do you want to pay?
I'll use a credit card.
Should I bring an umbrella?
Yes, it might rain later.
Do you eat in the morning?
Yes, but something light.
Who is waiting in the line?
Some students are in line for the books.
Can you pass me the pan?
Yes, do you need the lid too?
Do they travel abroad frequently?
No, they don't travel abroad frequently.
Who did you meet yesterday?
I meet my friend John yesterday.
When can we meet?
We can meet now.
What did you have for breakfast?
I had eggs and toast for breakfast.
Which movie did you watch last night?
I watched The Godfather last night.
How did you go to school today?
I went to school by bus today.
What did you do during the summer?
I traveled to Italy during the summer.
What's up these days?
Nothing special as usual.
Where are you?
I am at home.
What is the matter?
I just lost my keys.
Did you like the movie?
Not at all.
How was the party?
It was so-so.
Did you like the food?
Yes, loved it.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I like to read books.
Does she play the piano?
Yes, she plays the piano.
Where are we?
We are in UK.
Do you drink coffee every morning?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
Does he work on Saturdays?
No, he doesn't work on Saturdays.
Do they have a pet dog?
Yes, they have a pet dog.
Does it rain a lot in your city?
No, it doesn't rain a lot in my city.
Do you speak Spanish fluently?
No, I don't speak Spanish fluently.
Does she live near the beach?
Yes, she lives near the beach.
Who are they?
They are children.
Do you play video games in your free time?
Yes, I play video games in my free time.
Does he study English every day?
Yes, he studies English every day.
How many books are there?
There are 5 books.
Do you watch TV before going to bed?
Yes, I watch TV before going to bed.
Where is your book?
It is in the bag.
Does she go to the gym regularly?
Yes, she goes to the gym regularly.
What is going on?
I am watching movie.
Do you wrap breakfast every morning?
Yes, I eat breakfast every morning.
Does it snow in your city during winter?
No, it doesn't snow in my city during winter.
Why are you late?
Because I missed my bus.
Do they like to travel?
Yes, they like to travel.
Does he play soccer on weekends?
Yes, he plays soccer on weekends.
How was your day?
It was fantastic.
Do you listen to music while studying?
No, I don't listen to music while studying.
Does she cook dinner for her family?
Yes, she cooks dinner for her family.
How should I know?
She told you.
Do you go for a walk after dinner?
Yes, I go for a walk after dinner.
How about tomorrow?
Good idea.
Does it get hot in the summer where you live?
Yes, it gets hot in the summer where I live.
What do you want?
I want your bicycle.
Do they visit their grandparents often?
Yes, they visit their grandparents often.
Does he work out at the gym?
Yes, he works out at the gym.
Does you brush your teeth before going to bed?
Yes, I brush my teeth before going to bed.
Which is our car?
This is our car.
What did you buy?
I bought a cake.
Does she volunteer at the local shelter?
Yes, she volunteers at the local shelter.
Which is better?
This is better.
Do you take the bus to work?
No, I don't take the bus to work.
Does it rain a lot in the spring?
Yes, it rains a lot in the spring.
When are you busy?
I am busy today.
Do they go to the movies on weekends?
Yes, they go to the movies on weekends.
Which is your pen?
This is my pen.
What time is it?
It's 7 o'clock.
Does he drink tea with sugar?
No, he doesn't drink tea with sugar.
Who stole the apple?
Snow White stole the apple.
Do you play a musical instrument?
Yes, I play a musical instrument.
Which is mine?
This is yours.
Does she watch TV shows on Netflix?
Yes, she watches TV shows on Netflix.
Do you eat lunch at home or at work?
Yes, I eat lunch at work.
Does it take a long time to commute to your workplace?
No, it doesn't take a long time to commute to my workplace.
Whose friend is he?
He is my brother's friends.
What did he say?
He said to clam down.
Do they have a garden in their backyard?
Yes, they have a garden in their backyard.
Who broke this?
My brother broke this.
Does he enjoy cooking?
Yes, he enjoys cooking.
Who is she?
She is my sister.
Do you like to go camping?
No, I don't like to go camping.
When will they arrive?
They will arrive by 5 p.m.
Does she read the newspaper every morning?
Yes, she reads the newspaper every morning.
Whose idea it is?
It is my idea.
What happened?
I am sick.
Do you play board games with your family?
Yes, I play board games with my family.
Whose guitar is this?
This is our guitar.
Does it get cold in the winter where you live?
Yes, it gets cold in the winter where I live.
Do they go for a hike in the mountains?
No, they don't go for a hike in the mountains.
Where did you go?
I went to school.
What is that?
That is my school bag.
Does he take a shower before going to bed?
Yes, he takes a shower before going to bed.
Do you like to swim in the ocean?
Yes, I like to swim in the ocean.
Where is my book?
It's in the library.
Does she go shopping every weekend?
No, she doesn't go shopping every weekend.
Do you drink orange juice for breakfast?
Yes, I drink orange juice for breakfast.
Whose is this?
It's mine.
Does it get windy in the fall?
Yes, it gets windy in the fall.
Do they have a cat as a pet?
No, they don't have a cat a pet.
Does he take his dog for a walk in the park?
Yes, he takes his dog for a walk in the park.
Why do you lie?
I was scared.
Do you visit your friends regularly?
Yes, I visit my friends regularly.
Does she enjoy going to concerts?
Yes, she enjoys going to concerts.
Do you go to bed early?
No, I don't go to bed early.
Which one do you want?
I want the blue one.
Does it rain a lot during the monsoon season?
Yes, it rains a lot during the monsoon season.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball.
Does she work as a teacher?
Yes, she works as a teacher.
Do you enjoy cooking?
No, I don't enjoy cooking.
What is that?
That is a pencil.
Does he own a car?
Yes, he owns a car.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 siblings.
Does she take dance classes?
Yes, she takes ballet classes.
Does it get crowded in the city center?
Yes, it gets crowded in the city center.
Who is he?
He is my teacher.
Do they eat dinner together as a family?
Yes, they eat dinner together as a family.
Do they go to church every Sunday?
Yes, they do to church every Sunday.
Do you go to the library often?
Yes, I go to the library often.
Do you take vitamins every day?
Yes, I take vitamins every day.
Well done following our English class today. You did very well to listen and learn so much. Your support helps us to make more quality content for you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comments for more lessons. Thank you.